Hello again. My name is Monica Bravo. I am a nutrition and health coach, and I empower mamas to fall in love with themselves and really give them that true power of self-love. And you can ask me 100 times what I would tell you to do on a daily basis that is going to empower you to be a high vibrational mom. And one of the things to do is to tune into your inner source. And that means tune into your specific energy field, right? Here's your energy field. And some of you, if you put your hands out and you just bring your hands here, you'll feel that, right? You feel this intense amount of energy. And there you come to a point you're like, whoa, this feels amazing. So it's amazing just to tune into that energy source. But the fastest way to do that is actually stopping, breathing, and meditating. So you don't only have to sit in a cross-legged position or sit in a chair like this. You can do some moving meditations, like yoga is a moving meditation. You can do some breath work. You can do alternate nostril breathing, breathing one nostril, breathing out other nostril, right? So moving meditation, alternate nostril breathing, or just sitting and really connecting to that emotional state you're feeling right now. The number one tool you can do is just connect in this moment, because this moment is all you have. You'll never get it back. So take the moment, close your eyes, sit up tall, take 5 deep breaths, and within 60 to 90 seconds, you can change your energy field. You can change your state of mind. You can really empower your body, your cells, your family, your future, your jobs to be even greater than you ever imagined. But for all the mamas out there, you need to take care of yourself. You got to put the oxygen mask on first, right? You're holding up the tent, you're holding up the house, you're holding everything together, you need to take care of you, your spirit, your inner source, and no one will ever love you as much as you love yourself. So take the time, breathe in, breathe out, and I'll give you our next challenge tomorrow. Have a wonderful, marvelous day. Evening, morning, night. Blessings to you.